What's up everyone, it's Tyiece here. I am back again. So this week I will be testing some new products. I love the Tree Naturals shampoo and conditioner bar so much that I decided to try out their trio kit. This is their leave-in conditioner, whipped curl cream, and their hair butter. So today I will be doing a flat twist out. I haven't done one in so long. I usually do single strand twist outs. So this is the results of my twist out. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this hairstyle. Okay, so I always start my flat twist out on damp hair, freshly washed and conditioned damp hair, so that's how I get the best results. So I'm going for a deep side part on the side, and I'm starting off with the Tree Naturals leave-in conditioner. So this is their rice flour and shea butter leave-in conditioner. It feels very light and it's so moisturizing on my hair. Honestly, I have fell in love with this brand. They have so many great hair products. So I'm following up with their whipped curl cream, and this one smells so good. It's so fruity. It's definitely my type of product. It's very lightweight as well and liquidy. It's not thick at all. So to seal in all of that moisture I just applied to my hair, I'm using their growth butter. So this butter is so different. It has like a gummy consistency. It's not greasy. Honestly, these products are really good. It definitely still lives up to the high quality performance of the shampoo and conditioner bar. And my hair is so manageable after applying these three products to my hair. I just love it. You can already see the moisture in my hair. So I'm starting my flat twist with a 1-inch section, and I'm just flat twisting my hair. I already have a tutorial showing a beginner's guide to flat twisting, but yeah, flat twisting, it does take practice. So to get the most out of my flat twist out, I twist very tight to the scalp, and I also do my parts small. I could have went a bit smaller for more definition, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just continuing to twist my hair straight to the ends. And then today I decided to put some perm rods on the end just to add a bit more curl. I'm still trying to figure out how to not make my ends so bushy when doing my flat twist. But yeah, I'm trying to master that technique, because if I don't put the rods at the end, I find that it comes out a bit bushy. It don't look defined. So this is the results of my flat twist right here. And I'm just continuing that same process all over my hair. And be sure to keep your hair detangled as you go. So it's natural for your hair to bunch up and become tangled as you're flat twisting. But make sure that you detangle, because this is going to play a key role in how your twist out turns out. So this is the results of my flat twists. So I'm going to let them air dry overnight. You can also sit under a dryer if you wish. So this is the next day after my hair is 100% dry. Actually, this is 2 days later, not the next day, because I was just home. I didn't have anywhere to go. So to take down your flat twist out, you just want to unravel it. You don't want to loosen it up or separate it at all. So unlike a single twist out, flat twist out don't really need to be separated. You just loose it out and you fluff the roots. That's it. It already has a lot of volume in comparison to if you're doing a single strand twist out. So my twist out came out so good. I was very pleased with the results. It lasted me a while too. I got a good 4 days out of this twist out using the Tree Naturals product. I definitely love this brand. It works so well for my 4C hair. Oh my goodness. I'm happy I decided to try more from their line. So I have a discount below for the products if you want to try it. So definitely give this video a rating and subscribe.